Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Insomnia for testing your API onto your Ubuntu operating system. So for that, just go to your favorite browser, so search for download Insomnia and just go to this first link from insomnia.net and just download for Ubuntu. So once this Debian file is downloaded, let me just go inside the folder and let me just click on open in terminal and just type sudo dpkg and just type -i, just type insomnia. So just give the capital letter I and just click enter, and you can just directly press tab to detect the name. So this will automatically detect the name if you just press on the tab, and if I just click on insomnia and just click enter, so this should now open the Insomnia. So let me just click on share the user analytics. So now for testing, so let me just go inside the browser again and just type JSON placeholder, and let me just go inside here, and if I just go at the bottom, so you can see the post. So just go inside there and let me just copy this one from here, and if I just go into this Insomnia and just paste that link and just click on send, so you can see, so this is showing the data. So this is how you can test the API. So this is how you install Insomnia for testing your API inside the Ubuntu operating system. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.